I'm going to show you how to fold up your bandsaw blade nice and safe. I'm also going to show you how to unfold it safely so you don't have to throw it against the wall, be afraid of it when it's going to spring open, go out in your yard and throw it. Sometimes throwing it against the wall works, but that's not safe and it's not consistent. So I'll show you how to unfold it first and then we'll fold it back up step by step. Let's go. Unfolding your bandsaw blade. If it's brand new, take off the ties. Hold it loosely in your hand like this. Open it up, hold it, all three pieces, see that? 3 circles, see the figure 8 right there? I'm gonna let go of my right hand and grab this centerpiece like this and control it, unfolding it like that. Grab gloves if you need gloves. I find it easier to do it without gloves. So I'm going to show you without gloves. But if you're sensitive to little sharp teeth and don't want to cut yourself, please use gloves. Okay, so the first step is to put your foot on the blade. Okay, I have soft shoes for this so I don't bend the teeth. Facing away from you. Step on the blade, grabbing the blade like this. Your hand up, palm up. Push down and twist. Okay? And then as you push down more, you're going to twist one more time until your back of the hand is facing your leg. And then you're going to gather it up like this and fix it. Now that you know how to fold your bandsaw blade up in a perfect circle, now it's time to learn how to cut perfect circles with the easiest bandsaw jig you'll ever learn how to make right here in this next video. See you over there. That works.